Namaste. Locker number 39 of the writ applicant, that is Vannapose Venkat Subbareddy, was provisionally attached by the GST officials without giving any shock cause notice or without giving any opportunity, without any intimation. This is the question before the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh, whether the action of the GST officials correct or not. Because along with the bank accounts, bank locker also attached under suspicion. Some incriminating material is available along with the cash in the locker. So locker number 39 was attached by the GST officials. The argument of the GST officials is the writ applicant, that is the petitioner, created 21 fictitious forms and bogus forms out of 70. They have identified nearly 70 forms. Out of 70, 21 forms created by the writ applicant, and total turnover involved is 397 crore 28 lakh 11,944 with the input tax credit of 61 crore 30 lakh 33,274. This is the total episode. So out of 397 crore, the bogus input rate was passed to the different parties is 61 crore 30 lakh 33,000. So whether the action of the GST officials correct or not, on the petitioner side V.V. Lakshmi Narayan Garu, counsel argued, and on the government side M.V.J.K. Kumar argued vehemently and opposed any relief to the petitioner. Finally, the Honorable Division Bench of the Justice Sri Durga Prasad Garu and Justice Uma Devi Garu held and directed the petitioner to approach the special judge for economic offences, come forth additional Metropolitan Sessions Judge Visakhapatnam for appropriate relief, and refused to interfere in the present proceedings and refused to revoke the attachment of the bank locker provisional attached under section 83. This is a very interesting judgment delivered by the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Even though the principles of natural justice was not followed by the GST authorities, but High Court still suspect and delivered the judgment in favor of the department because huge amount, nearly 397 crore turnover is involved and 61 crore ITC is wrongly availed, bogus ITC is wrongly availed, and 21 fictitious forms, bogus forms were created out of 70. So, by taking all the issues into cognizance, the Honorable High Court of AP refuses to interfere in the provisional attachment of the bank locker. The first time we heard that the bank locker was also attached along with the bank accounts of the dealer. So this is very interesting judgment. Kindly go through the judgment delivered recently in case of Vannaposa Venkata Subbareddy. In case of Vannaposa Venkata Subbareddy, Visakhapatnam. So please go through and give appropriate advice to your clients how to follow the business transactions genuinely. Thank you.